Okay, so I'm here with Brittany, and how are you, doll?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Now, Brittany has what you would consider a monolid, and basically that means that the crease is pretty much right at the upper lash line. So it can make liners a little tricky, right?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna show you how I created this winged liner look here. And it's just a few steps that you can do that can make it a little bit easier for you. And the first thing I would say is start by mapping out where you want the liner before you jump into your pencil, your liquid, whatever you're using. Use something that you can play with. I like to use brow pencils. They're just really easy to use. Now, if you look, you can see that Brittany's eye crease actually goes a little lower than where we're going. It's fine. You can just go right over it. With a monolid, it's actually pretty easy to do that. This doesn't have to be perfect. That's why we're using something like this. If I want to change it, right, rather than needing like makeup remover or anything, I'm just a little cotton bud. Can even sharpen up what I'm drawing there. Oh yeah, that's really nice. I think this is a great point to now jump into the liquid liner, which is the Haus Labs Clear Cut Liquid Liner. And this is a fantastic liner. What I love so much about this is that precision point on there, as you can see. It really allows you to get really sharp. And I always start from the outer corner of the eye, not the wing, and I fill in what I want on the eye first. Always leave the wing to last. I'm not gonna go all the way across. I'm gonna go about 3/4 into the eye here. Now with monolid eyes, I do like to really make sure I'm getting that liner in between the lash hairs. This is a fast drying liquid liner, so take your time so that you only have to do it once. I'm gonna use concealer underneath the liner because it really does work, especially to sharpen and clean up and highlight any darkness underneath the eye that's naturally there. A smaller brush is definitely the key here. Really in this area here is where you wanna brighten up the natural curve that goes down. So I threw on a little mascara because we love it. So now you can see how on a monolid, you can still achieve a liner look, even possibly a cat eyeliner look. Really nice to have a nice sharp liquid liner if that's what you're gonna use, but also things like mapping it out beforehand and the concealer underneath. Just some simple tips and tricks that can really help you achieve these beautiful looks.